Hey guys, working on that truck. Just want to show you this grill mid-process. Went with our Lin 8, but a Lin 6 T3 would all fit there. TIR3, Lin 6, or a Lin 8. This kind of grill, we tinted them, spray tinted them here, smoked them, and we mounted them in the corners of the grill like that. All four corners. It's a dual color light with a flood override, but he wanted them smoked to match this nice black painted grill. And I just want to show you kind of what we did around the back here, how we did it. We slide these lights in from the back, and we used the black industrial hot melt because it's a very snug fit. We hot melt in 6 spots, and then we also ran the wiring along the side there so you don't see any of it. See how we ran both of them up to the top of the grill. We ran them around this way. I'll try to get in a little closer and let the zoom. There you go. Got to get rid of the spider webs when you're done. But it's a very tight fit, so you don't need a whole lot of adhesive there. Just a little bit to keep it ever from sliding out backwards. It's a very snug fit. Fits almost perfect. And we ran the 2 across the top over here. Here we have a weather pack connection, so you can take the whole grill off the truck. This part of the truck in my hand will be on the truck itself. We haven't mounted that to the truck itself yet. It's going to the auxiliary switches, and that way we can disconnect the grill and take the entire grill off. And we're bringing it together here up in the upper corner. But you can see how we kept all our wiring invisible, so once the grill gets mounted back on the truck, you don't see any of that wiring through the grill. See, it's all hidden. All right, just wanted to show you that before I put it all back together.